From simple origami folds to complex designs, the world of paper airplanes is as diverse as the avian creatures that inspire them. Hello, I'm Allison, and throughout this presentation, I will show you how to fly and make paper airplanes. I will tell you what supplies you will need, I will teach you how to fold the paper, and I will teach you how to fly the paper airplane the correct way. I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane because I've always been fascinated by airplanes and thought they were super unique objects. Ever since I was a little kid, I have wanted to be a pilot and played with paper airplanes. When playing with them, I acted like I was the pilot and I was flying a real plane. This is the paper airplane that I'm going to be showing you how to make. The supplies that you will need is a blank sheet of paper and pens. The pens are optional just so you can decorate your airplane. The first thing you want to do is turn your paper sideways and fold it in half. Once you do this in half, you want to open it back up and fold it, turn it around and fold it down again. Then open it back up and turn it around back to upward and fold it in half again. And you're going to repeat this process once more. Once you have it in half, you want to turn it around so the open part is facing upward. Then you want to take the top corner of your paper and fold it down to the line that you just creased, like this. Once you do that, you want to do it on the opposite side as well. You will be making a triangle inside of a rectangle. Once you have made it, you want to turn it upside down and do the exact same thing and make 2 more triangles with your paper. It should look like this, one big triangle. Once you make that, you want to open your flap and take your flap and crease it like this in half. Then, once you crease it, you want to fold it back inside so it look like this. You want to do the same steps that we just did to the opposite side of the paper. So open the flap, crease it in, and then close it back up. Now you want to take the flap that is on the bottom in a triangle and put it up to where the 2 creases meet. It should look like this. Then you want to take your flaps and fold it all the way up. You split your triangle in half and fold it up like this. Now that you've done that, you want to close and split this in half so it turns into a shape like this. Then you want to take your side and split that in half and put it where the crease meets, all the way down to the bottom. Then you want to flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. Once you have a shape that looks like this, you want to take your 2 flaps and hold them up like this, so halfway up. Now you have your paper airplane. Then you want to color it or put some designs on it with your 4 markers. I drew some hearts, smiley face, stars with my markers. Now I'm going to teach you how to fly your airplane. So you want to hold it with 2 fingers at the bottom of your airplane, and then bend your elbow and extend so you can flick your airplane. Then with the flick of a wrist, you're going to throw it and just throw it. Throughout this presentation, I showed you how to make and fly a paper airplane. I told you what supplies you needed, how to fold the paper into the shape you want, and how to fly the airplane the correct way. Now that you have all of this knowledge and how to fly a paper airplane and make one, you can go to your friends and show them how to make one.